Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to log in to Bluehost. First, go to Bluehost official website, which is bluehost.com. Then click on this login button from the top, email address and your password. If you don't know your account email address, simply check the first email you got from or after buying Bluehost. It's called Bluehost order confirmation. Scroll down to the bottom and this is your username. Click on copy, go back to your Bluehost login page, fill it here, then click on next, then fill in the password you've created when you was signing up for Bluehost. If you don't remember it, simply click on forgot password and follow the process. After that, click on login. And this is how to log in to Bluehost.